So you guys know I do love me a Filofax planner cover, and I recently saw an email from Filofax announcing that they have launched a new range of planner covers. Have you guys seen this? I am kind of here for it because I've been on the lookout for a planner cover, and I feel like this new range ticks almost all of the boxes that I was looking to fulfill. So let's get into this video. So here we are, it's Laptop Chloe, and I am on the Filofax website right now. And as you may or may not have seen, they have launched this new range called the Camden Organizer with removable rings. So this is promising to be an eco-friendly, 100% flexible, functional planner that should tick a lot of boxes that I wanted to tick. So as you can see here, we've currently got just two sizes, the A5 and the personal, and the prices are coming in at very purse friendly if you ask me. We've got 40 British pounds for the personal and 56 British pounds for 56 British pounds for the A5. Now I'm an A5 girl, so I'm going to click onto the A5 one. Now I am here for these colours. I'm not going to tell you which colour I chose. Can you guess? Put it in the comments. Now I was after a black, and oh my goodness, the black is very sophisticated and ever chic. But can we just take a moment to drool over the gorgeous green olive, and then can we take another moment, as if that wasn't drool worthy enough, to take in the delectably delicious mocha. I am here for all of these colours, and it was a really, really hard choice. Now, the reason that I am excited about this planner, other than the fact that it's within the budget that I wanted to spend on a work planner, other than the fact that there is a very stylish black option, other than the fact that it is a vegan leather grain effect cover that is made from recycled plastic. I mean, hello, we're ticking a lot of boxes here. But I was excited for this in that, oh, look at this gorgeous chunky closure strap. I do love a chunkier looking closure strap. And then if we take a look inside, we've got the card pockets up the front. Oh my gosh, you guys, like that's the one thing that kills me about the Norfolk, which I purchased last year, in that the card slots are at the back and it doesn't really give you a chance to take in your little layering moment of deco, which for me, that's the only place I have deco really in my planner, is at the front. So without that, I kind of felt a little bit bummed, but I am so excited to see these card pockets up the front. So we've got, I think there's 6 card slots. I'm just recording a video, sorry. Sorry about that. My husband just walked in, so I needed to shut the door before he walks in and starts talking to me. So I think we've got 6 card slots up the front here. We've also got 2 vertical secretarial style pockets, or well, they're not really secretarial style pockets. What do they call it? Let's go into this spec here. So yes, 6 card pockets, 2 vertical slip pockets, and then in the back, as it were, we've got 1 notepad pocket and 1 pen loop. And I feel this is the only thing that I am bummed about with regards to this cover at the moment, in that there is 1 pen loop. For my work planner, I need to have my pen, my highlighter and my pencil. So I have been on Moterm seeing if I can get myself a flyleaf with a pen loop that I could add to this planner. I'm also loving the fact that there are 30mm rings in here, and they're removable. Now this is the part that I'm not sure about. I'm not sure if there's a very good picture. I think the picture I saw that really explained it well was on their Instagram, so let's just hop to their Instagram page. So yeah, here you can see, oh, I don't want to log in. Here you can see this removable ring situation, and in this picture too. So I'm not quite sure how that is going to function, how sturdy it's going to be. I'm interested to see what that looks like. If we go back to here. But yeah, I mean, it is a really gorgeous setup. It's clean, it's minimal. I might miss not having a zipper or a zipped pocket in here. I don't know. Can we see a picture of the back cover? Not really, not a clear picture. I think it's more, you probably see better pictures on their Instagram, if I'm honest, in terms of really getting a good look at this planner. So I am quite excited to get my hands on it and do a full review of my initial thoughts. But at the moment, I am here for this. I have placed my order, and as soon as it arrives, I will do a bit of a, I don't really like doing unboxing. Like, we are over the unboxing, aren't we? I don't know, but I will record it anyway, and we'll see what happens. So that is it for this video, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't want to be pushing people to buy things that they don't need. So this isn't pressure to buy, but I was just excited to share because I was on the lookout for something and have been since just before Christmas. And yeah, I'm super excited. Can you tell? How many times have I said excited in this video? And don't forget, comment with your guesses for which colour I went for. You might be surprised. I don't know. Anyway, let's say goodbye, Chloe. Okay, goodbye for now, planner friends.